What's good? It's your boy Dash Resource, and we are here for the what stock should I buy today? Basically, I use a 1-year marker to find a good stock on a bad day. If you buy stock and it continues to slide, that's a good opportunity to do two things. You can either, one, purchase more of the stock, which is called averaging down, where you're basically buying a good stock for a discount, or you can cut your losses and sell for a loss. Not my particular way I would like to do it. I also, if you need more help or troubleshooting, you can get my book for free on Amazon. It's called Dash Resource 5-Step Beginner's Edition. You can get it for free off of Amazon. Again, also every week I do one introspective blog a week where I run down, good buys and stuff like that that you probably will want to, find out if that's a good stock to be into. So without further ado, this is Dash Resource sponsored by T-Shirt Kings. This is my pick for today. Thank you for tapping in for the Dash Resource pick of the day where, you could buy, hold, sell it. We are also powered by T-Shirt Kings. Welcome to the cool table, man.